Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Camry XLE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, tinted glass, and much more. Given its well-rounded nature and long-standing history of dependability, the 2015 Toyota Camry is an excellent choice in the highly competitive mid-size sedan segment. This Camry has 17-inch super chrome finished alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Camry is in great condition. It has fully automatic, projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with a really nice grille with a chrome bar and the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Camry has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 28 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Camry has only 29,014 miles on it. At the back of the Camry, you can see the antenna, the large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Camry has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice simulated wood interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Camry is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and fade-to-off interior lighting. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Camry has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.